Oh, hello. Having a sneaky look at the instructions. In these questions, letters stand for numbers. Work out the sum and write its answer as a letter. Notice that, as a letter. When I'm feeling flash with the paper, I write it on every question, written as a letter. And you'll be surprised at how many people write it as a number. Now, they mean one of the letters that are shown. We'll follow it through and you'll get the hang of it. Let's get a nice purple. So A times B times A times E, take away C equals, and it will be one of the answers. So I've got my book down here, which is why I keep looking down here. So B is 8. 8 times A is 5. Times E, what's E? 2. Take away C, what's C? 40. Equals something or another. So 8 times 5 is 40. Times 2 is 80. Take away 40 is 40. And 40 was C, wasn't it? So the answer is C. That's number 1. Now let's get rid of that. So we've got a bit more space and then it will all feel a bit less cluttered. I'm going to choose a nice warm colour. And this time I'm going to write the questions on top. So we're on to number 16. A plus or divide? Oh, okay. Right, so 56 divided by C, which is 8, plus B, which is 7, equals, now 56 divided by 8 is 7. 7 and 7 is 14. So I'm just going to jot down 14, but now I've got to work out what letter that is, and that's D. If you're not good with 7 times 8, the way to remember it is 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 times 8 is 56. That's neat, isn't it? So number 16 was D. Well, I reckon it is. Hang on. Oh, something very satisfying about rubbing things out on that. Now let's go on to number 17. We've got B plus C, take away A, take away E. Is that definitely a plus or a divide? Sorry. Last resort, use your glasses. Do you have to use glasses? You'd think I'd be a bit more grateful for the fact that I can wear glasses and all is well. I seem to be remarkably ungracious about it. So B plus C, so that is 8 plus 2, take away 6, take away C is 2, equals, right, so that's 10, take away 6 is 4, take away 2 is 2, which equals C. Does that? Yeah, C equals 2. Should we do that again? 10, 4, 2, so which equals 2, so therefore 2 equals C. Now you'll notice you don't go for the position of the letters, just go for whichever the letters are in that question. So you've only got a choice of 5 answers. And don't, for goodness sake, in the exam, but you end up saying, the answer's not here. Sarah, you've got it wrong. The answer's not here. I've checked, Sarah, and it's definitely not there. You've got it wrong. Sometimes you get kids that do that. And I've had, they'll do it, 7, 8 times. And it never once crosses their mind that they could be wrong. You just have to sort of rub their arm and say, everything you need is there. But you've got it wrong. I'm going to strangle you. Right, where are we? C plus A. C plus, ooh, which one's that? C plus D. Oh, I got you. We're on number 18. So A plus C. Keep it simple, Sarah. Right, so 20 plus A is 10. Plus B is 15. Take away D is 5. I reckon that's got to be 40, don't you? Because we're adding lots of big numbers and then taking a bit off, and the only big number is 40. So if you're in a hurry, you'd go for that, but I think we probably can do it better. Is this right? So that is 30, isn't it? 30, 45, take away 5, yes, is 40. So that's 40, jot it down, which is E. Oh, we're getting there. I always find these look a bit intimidating, but you don't have to be particularly clever, you just have to kind of be systematic. A times B, so we're on to number 19. A times B, so that's 7 times 8. Oh yes, do you remember? 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 times 8 is 56. Times C. What is C? 50 times C? 54. Ooh, I'm not happy about that. Times D. Oh, look, D. I don't like that, Sarah. It's 0. Equals, aha. Now, what you would have ended up if you weren't careful was going 56 times 56 equals accuracy is everything. But anything times anything times anything times 0 equals 0, which is D. So we didn't have to work that out at all. Just watch out for those things times 0. Any number you care to mention, which that would have been quite a lot of, will still end up equaling 0 if you multiply it by 0. You get my drift. Shall we move on fast? Ooh, should we rub that out? I don't want to just give myself a bit of space. Should we do the whole lot? Or is that getting a bit fastidious? And we'll change a colour. We'll have a nice restful green. Oh, we've got restful green there. Never mind. Right. Off we go. C times D. So that is 6 times 3. Take away 4. Take away 5. Ooh, it's getting complicated. Take away 6 equals, just be methodical, 18. Take away 4 is 14. Take away 5 is 9. Take away 6 is 3. And do any of them equal 3? Yeah, that's D. I'm just going to check that. 18, 14, 9, 3, which, so the answer is 3, which equals D. And now let's have a rather nice blue for this one. We've got E divided by, so 36 divided by 18. Oh, that's 2, isn't it? Just 2 times A, which is 12. Hang on. Have I done that right? Oh yeah, I'm just complicating myself, aren't I? 36 divided by 18 is 2. 2 times 12 is 24. Fingers crossed, and that's B. Remember, the answer's always there. So if you begin to go astray, you've got only 5 possibilities of what it's going to be. So it's kind of handy. It brings you back into the fold. See you soon.